Woo, we are rolling. The engine is no good, but it has still got a little bit in it, right?
Yep.
So we are poking it down the highway. 40 mile an hour, I only know. Wonder if you can hear it on that. Rolling through town. Just cruising through town in a truck that's limping. But we're making it.
Yeah.
We just are trying not to stop because the engine seems to want to die whenever we stop rolling. So we're throwing it up in neutral at points to get it, to make sure it doesn't stop. So anyway, we're almost there, but I'd say this is, 3 miles from the house?
Yeah.
Where we're going together, which isn't bad. So hopefully we don't have to get it towed. And, but we got 2 more red lights to go before that happens. But this one is a right on red. Come on, baby. I ain't gonna stop. There we go. This thing don't need an engine. What you talking about?
It will at some point now. Like at some point it probably won't even do this.
It don't have very much power. There ain't no doubt about it. Alright, I think this is our left right here. Did you hear us coming? Oh, back it in, alright.
Roxy! Come here, Roxy. Come on, baby. Good girl.
Show me that engine. Yeah. Look at there. Brand new engine. Sounds good. Looks like it's running smooth. Listen to it. Nothing, right? No clicking, no banging, no none of that stuff. It's brand new. Mr. Charles, our engine guy, took care of you, Judah.
Yep.
Right, and you got your first ride-alongs back here, passengers riding along. So we got a 04 F-150, which is a 3-valve, a little bit more expensive than the engine, but they're set up, ready to go, and we're in this for just under
$9,000.
$9,000. Got $3,000 on the truck. Got $3,700 and something on the engine, and which includes a 7-year warranty, and through Powertrain, which has treated us really good so far. And then we had, like oil and fluids, and we added a fuel pump in since he was already going to be in there. And you got a new battery, and paid him to do it. And so we're just under $9,000, and I think you got yourself a good truck, So it's awesome. And so definitely think it's a good way to go right now, especially considering the price of used vehicles in the market right now. There's no way that you would be able to get a truck for that price, a 4-wheel drive, this size, and have a 7-year warranty on the engine. There's no way you're going to touch that price, I don't think, in the market going on right now. So good job. Right. So this young man does not have his license yet. He's actually only 14. He'll get his learner's permit when he's 15 in April. So there he goes in the parking lot at our church, because it's wide open and he can do laps here, and hopefully, it's not much he can hit right here, so we should be good.